Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it is time for our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And today, I'm not alone in the room as I'm filming this because you may already know this is the second Vinny themed stamp that we're releasing this month. Why is that, Ben?
Well, because it's my birthday month.
It's his birthday month. It's April 26th is his birthday, and
This coming Sunday.
And he's reminded us as of when did you tell us? Sunday or Monday? That was your birthday week.
Well, today is Monday.
Is this the official start of your birthday week?
Yes, today is
so it was Sunday.
Start.
Okay, anybody else not know what day it is? So Sunday you told us this is your birthday week. So I know y'all don't care about that. You want to see what this is. But I want to say this. So when we started planning this, it's actually you guys that made this happen. And here's why. You were sending me projects that looked like this. And I'm like, I want to be able to do that. I'm going to explain to you why we did this way in just a second. But we're going to reveal it. Do you remember the name of it? I don't know if you were in on naming it.
I don't think I was in on naming it.
He had to choose, it's music themed. You guys know this, right? Because Vince is a worship leader. So it's music themed. And he sings like a dream. And so he had to pick his favorite hymn songs for this one. And was that tough?
Yeah, because I like a lot of them.
You like all of them. Every hymn song you like. So here we go. Ready to show it?
Yeah.
Enough ado?
Yeah.
All right. Here it is.
They're going, show it, woman.
This stamp set is called Compose. Now, let me explain it to you. So I wanted to make a music background stamp. Okay, so you could make backgrounds on your cards that were sheet music, music notes, music themed, etc. But as I said in a Q&A video one time, I don't want to just give you a sheet of music because that is a whole stamp. You know what I'm saying? It takes up a whole stamp to give you one piece, right? So here's what we did instead. We made this piece called Compose so you can compose your own background music. All right. So first, you want to read off who your hymn songs are?
Yep. One of my favorite invitation hymns is Have Thine Own Way, Lord.
And then?
And How Great Thou Art is one of my favorite hymns. Victory in Jesus is a big favorite. Amazing Grace is also a big favorite. And Love Lifted Me.
He likes Love Lifted Me. He makes us like stand up on our tiptoes when we sing that one. Love lifted me. So it was hard for you to nail down 5.
Yeah.
You had a lot more than that.
I left out one of my...
Well, save it for another one.
Okay.
Because technically you have another stamp set we made for you, I want to say 2 years ago, that's called Then Sings My Soul. Yep. And it was Vinny themed also.
Yep.
But not like this, although it will work with this. So if you have Then Sings My Soul, it will work with this too. So I want to show you some samples I made using this, some things that I did, and one thing I figured out we can do. But love this. Okay, let me say this too. I don't know if these are real notes. Like, they might be real notes. You could make a real song if you're a you might could do a tune with these notes, right? You might not could. I just wanted them for pretty, okay? So we gave you the big treble clef and the little treble clef. Are you proud of me for that?
Yes, very good.
I played in band,
Yes.
I played 2 instruments. Thank you very much. So there's a big treble clef, little treble clef. This is a bass clef?
Correct.
Golly, I'm good, babe.
Just on a roll.
This is a nothing from what I understand. It's just pretty. I'll show you where you use it. It's just pretty, right?
Yeah.
And then you have all these little notes plus your sharps, flats. Well, let's see. What's this one? The number sign is a...
That's a rest.
Oh.
Well, no, you could use it as a sharp also.
Okay, that's a sharp. Yep. That's a flat, right?
Yep. The little B looks like it is a flat.
Right. There's all the little thingies that you might need for making this. And this is a measure rest, right?
This is a rest.
Uh-huh.
And can be used like a rest. All these are rest.
This is just pretty, right?
A quarter rest, 1/8 rest, and a 1-note rest.
And this we use for measures.
No, I did that backwards. That's an 1/8. That's a 16th. That's a quarter. Sorry about that. I don't want nobody correcting me.
Oh, they going to, because listen, I don't know anything about this. I thought this was cool. This we just added because it would be pretty for measures, like for making measures of the song. Mm-hmm. You'll see. Okay, so there's the stamp set. This is your staff. I also want to mention this. On purpose, it is rugged. Do you see how it is not solid? We did that on purpose. We wanted you to be able to get weathered hymn-looking pages. So you're not, it's going to be broken.
Get to the samples.
I just want them to know it's going to be broken.
The samples are really cool.
Okay. So which one do we start with?
That's my favorite.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. This guy. Here's the deal. I actually used 3 stamp sets on this, but this was actually the point of this whole this whole piece called Compose. I was able to make an entire background piece using Compose. So all the staffs, okay, all the measures, all the notes, all the timing, the treble clef here, and the name of the hymn song is all from the stamp set Compose. So that whole background is that. These pieces, the little like torn paper edge, that is from Then Sings My Soul. So I did dig into that and pull that piece out. And then this one you recognize is from, why do I never remember the names of stamp sets? I did pretty good until that one. This one is Gather Together. I knew it was Gather, but I can't remember. So Gather Together. And this is actually inspired by a subscriber who actually made a card very similar to this and sent it to us. Oh. And that's what I was saying. They kind of inspired it because they were using actual music paper. But I thought, what if we could make our own for every shape, size we want, right? Yeah. So that's made with the Compose set and 2 others. And then this is my favorite. Yeah. Okay. This is also made with the Compose set. So you see that piece that's so pretty? It's just for looks. I guess, I don't know. We saw it on some sheet music and fell in love with it. So there's that piece. And this is the same staff that comes in your set, but because it is a clear stamp, I did this on the block. I just curled it on the block. Cool, right? Very cool. You like that?
Yeah, I didn't realize you could do that. Yeah,
it's so neat. And then I wanted my notes not like actually on the staff. I wanted them kind of off and on. And I went ahead and used the big treble clef just for looks, right? And then Victory in Jesus. And this is Ink Dragon because y'all know me like that. But then you see all the little blingies I stuck on? And I want to show you this. I even took my Aqua Shimmer pen and see that glitter that's on the staff? You can kind of see that. I love how that turned out. So that's another way to use the staff. You don't have to use it just straight, okay? Then this one. This is going to speak to all my ATC lovers. Now, before I show it, cool. I want to tell y'all this. An ATC is an artist trading card. This is something that artists make. They trade with each other when they go to conventions and things like that. And they are 2.5 by 3.5 inches. And you decorate them any way you want in your style of art. So check this one out. This is the one I did with this set. I love it. It is watercolored. It is heat embossed. And I put a little bit of string behind my little treble clef here and Amazing Grace up here. I love how this looks, right? So there's an ATC.
Very cool.
Doesn't it just make the greatest background?
I think it's very cool.
It does. Now let me show you something else.
As a tribute to old Beanie Boy.
Yeah, let me show you something else.
I like it.
So let's say you want to do a plaid background, but you don't have a plaid stamp. Look.
You can take the staff and turn it different.
The staff. The staff?
Yeah, the staff. I just went blank. It just didn't feel right.
5 lines and 4 spaces, the staff.
The staff.
I did this with the staff, and it's not great. I just played to see what I could do. Then I'm like, man, if I really work this out, there's no telling what we could do. And think about stripes. You could just do stripes across the page to match something. Wouldn't that be cool? Mm-hmm. There's so much we can do, and that's just using that staff. And look, let's say you made a background. Now, these colors don't match. But if you match the colors and then you did that, look, boom. Right? This set is really fun, and I know it's different from what we usually do, but I wanted you to be able to build a background without having a background stamp. If you just had a background stamp, you'd be stuck. But imagine if you do punch art and make like a punch art trumpet and then have the music coming out of it, or there's so much you can do with all the musical notes.
Absolutely.
So there you go.
A very cool set.
Vinny's second set, his first one was Chef Vinny for the month, and then we got Compose. And I also did a little bit of shimmer. There it is, a little gloss on those stained glass windows. So tell me this. I did not, I did not film my process of these. So tell me how you want to see them. Do you want to see them in individual videos? Do you want to see me recreate these in one video? Or do you care to see these? Do you already know how to do them? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget, Vinny's in the room. Don't forget, we have a giveaway every month. We give away a $50 gift card every month. Well, actually twice a month because we do it for both clubs. And so if you want to enter, all you do is make a project using this stamp set and then post it on our customer gallery, and that's all you have to do to enter. Now, because I'm filming this in advance, the winner from last month will be in the description below, so we'll have that name down there, and you will already be emailed that you have won your $50 gift card. There you go.
All righty.
I love it. Thanks for letting us make stamp sets about you this month.
Well,
that was fun.
We get to make them about you next month, don't we?
I don't know. We might have
working on it.
Well, no, actually, we may have, what is it that they say? We may have interrupted this program for something else.
You derailed it.
I derailed it. Things are different. I derailed it. So you'll see what we do for mine. For my birthday's May 3rd, and the first stamp set of the month is one I just designed because I thought it was what we needed to do. And so that's what we're doing for the first stamp set. You'll see. The second one is more me. But we'll see. So there you go, guys. Thanks so much for watching today. If you would like to pick up this stamp set and you're not in the stamp club, you can certainly do that. There's links in the description to be able to pick this one up as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye.